How to convert low resolution pictures to high resolution in Photopea. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can convert the low resolution pictures to high resolution from Photopea. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So for that, you can head over to photopea.com, and once you are there, you can go ahead and click create up a new project. And once you do that, you can go ahead and select up the picture from your device that you may want to convert into a high resolution. So you can just go ahead and resize it according to your preference. Once you've selected the picture, you can remove this white background, and after that you can just make your picture available here. Once that is placed, you can go to the images tab at the top and go to image size and resize your image according to your preference. So you can just go ahead and do that. You should be finding this width height option. Go ahead and resize your picture and click on OK. Just go ahead and do that. Once done, go to this option which is called filter. From this filter page, go to this blur and select this blur which is Gaussian blur. And then you can go ahead and adjust the radius of the picture, the blur, by using this option as well, or you can type in the radius as well. After that is on, click on OK, and from this section you need to go ahead and click on this circle in the bottom, and from there go to this which is called curves. After that, this appears on your screen. From the curves, you need to adjust this and make it a bit darker like this, and when you do that, you should be finding the quality of the photo being changed here. So you can find the resolution being changed. So you can just go ahead and apply this editing option if you want to change the resolution of the picture, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.